Shall we evaluate the performance of the foam precision slitter machine together? Tear it up every other one, please. Let me take a strip of foam. Take a look at it first. Really straight. Tear it up every other one to see it more clearly. You can see there's basically no marks or scratches on it. If I pull hard on the foam sheet, there's no mark. It's translucent. See this? You can't even break it like that. It doesn't crack. All right, great. Next one, please. It's got oil on it. It's not broken. Even if I hit it with my hand, this won't break. Our foam slitter is accurate and precise enough to be like this. This yellow stain is oil from somewhere. Bring the other piece, please. Thank you. This yellow stain is oil from the machine, I guess. It is not broken here. Very pretty, right? They are straight and looks pretty. We can turn it upside down and then look at the paper. Let's shake it up a little. Awesome. Great. The paper shakes but doesn't break. Good, I'll show you the piece of foam I removed. Let's see. Such smooth edges. Such close slit selvage. I cannot see rough edge at all. Let's look at the performance of this piece. Look at this. They are straight and looks very pretty too. Love it. Nice.